Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something pretty exciting to talk about. If you're into Forex trading, or if you've been looking for a way to elevate your trading game, you're in the right place. I'm diving into a product that promises to take your trading to the next level, the VIP Forex Wealth Code Masterclass. Now, I know a lot of people are out there trying to figure out how to make their mark in the Forex world. And if you've been searching for a solid way to improve your trading skills, this could be what you've been waiting for. So let's break it down and talk about exactly what this course offers, what it's all about, and whether or not it's worth your time and money. First things first, the VIP Forex Wealth Code Masterclass is a comprehensive training program designed by Toshko Raychev, a well-known figure in the Forex trading community. Toshko claims to have developed this program to help traders, whether you're a beginner or you've been trading for a while, find more success and become more consistent with your trades. The course isn't just about watching some videos and reading materials. It's got real hands-on tools that are meant to help you analyze the market better and execute trades with more confidence. Now, let's dive into what you get with this package, and trust me, it's a lot. One of the standout features of this program is the Toshko's Trade Assistant. This software is designed to help you with real-time market analysis. It's an in-depth tool that assists you in making better trading decisions by giving you insights into market trends, helping you spot opportunities, and guiding you toward more informed trades. This tool alone is valued at almost $1,000, but it's a key part of the VIP program. If you're someone who relies heavily on technical analysis or even fundamental analysis, having something like this could save you time and effort while trading. In addition to the software, the VIP program includes a full dashboard with alerts. Now, let me tell you, staying on top of Forex market movements is crucial, but it's not always easy, especially if you're juggling other things. With this dashboard, you can get real-time alerts, which means you're not left guessing when the right moment to act is. This part is a bit more exclusive, giving you access to up-to-date market info and crucial trading notifications. The value of this system is marked at a whopping $30,000, but of course, there's a huge discount that makes it much more accessible. But that's not all. There's also a VIP program video training and extra tools that come with it. These videos are designed to walk you through the strategies and trading techniques that Toshko himself uses. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there in the Forex world, this could really simplify things. The materials cover a wide range of topics, and you'll find them especially valuable if you're looking for actionable strategies that can directly impact your trading results. You also get monthly webinars where Toshko and other experts share their latest insights on the market. Plus, there's one-on-one mentoring available. This might be one of the most valuable aspects of the entire package, especially if you prefer a more personalized approach to learning. You can book time with Toshko or one of his coaches to discuss your trades, ask questions, and get tailored advice based on your specific situation. This level of personal interaction is rare, especially in such a specialized field like Forex trading, so it's definitely something that stands out. Now, of course, all of this comes at a price. The combined value of everything in the VIP Forex Wealth Code Masterclass totals around $45,000. But don't worry, if you're thinking about jumping in, there's a massive discount. You can get all of these resources for just $8,000. Which is a pretty steep drop compared to the full price. And if you're already a member of Toshko's other trading programs, there's even a special coupon that can knock off a few $1,000s more. But, and this is a big but, before you go ahead and invest, let's talk about the realities of trading. The creators of this program are very clear that Forex trading involves risk. There's no guarantee that you're going to make money. Trading is volatile. And no matter how great the tools or strategies are, there's always that inherent risk. That's something you have to consider before jumping into any kind of trading program. While the tools are top-notch and the mentoring could help speed up your learning curve, trading is never without its challenges. One thing I really appreciate is the transparency. The course doesn't promise that you're going to be making millions overnight. Instead, it focuses on teaching you how to become a more consistent and successful trader over time. So, if you're someone who's willing to put in the work, learn from experts, and use advanced tools to improve your skills, this program might just be worth the investment. Ultimately, the VIP Forex Wealth Code Masterclass is packed with value, especially if you're committed to improving your Forex trading journey. The software, mentorship, and resources provided are all designed to give you an edge in a competitive market. Just remember, it's a big investment, and as with any kind of trading, there's always a level of risk involved. If you think this program can help you achieve your trading goals, and you're ready to put in the effort, then it's definitely worth considering. So that's it for today's review. If you've got any questions about the program, feel free to drop them in the comments below. As always, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.